How to fix Laurentian Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Laurentian Bank app not working. So sometimes if your app is not working, it may be due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you gotta make sure is check your internet connection. Now make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Now second thing you can do is basically close and restart the app. So simply close the app altogether and reopen it. Third thing you can do is check for app updates. Now sometimes if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the newer features and fixes will not work, which may be the reason your app is not working, glitching or crashing whatsoever. Another thing you can do is simply restart your phone, or if you're using an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache data. And finally, simply check the Laurentian Bank system status. Now make sure all the systems and servers are running smoothly. If not, no matter what you do, any of these tips, it will not work as the servers itself aren't running. So there's nothing more you can do about that. So make sure the system is up and running. Now once you've made sure of all of these and your app is still not working, simply call this number right over here and talk to the Laurentian Bank support team, where they will be able to help you with your problem further. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.